There is one another thing which you can see here. This text here is not appearing on the original drawing. Let me just focus on that. See, there's no text like that. Because that's actually automatically placed by the software when I use this tool. And this is something that I can also change. If I click here, this is a drawing name. I can just change it to drawing 01, I don't know, floor plan or something like that. And when I do that, and I hit enter, the software is changing this, which is the drawing title. So now the drawing title is changed. It's just simply regenerating, and now it's saving the project. And as you can see, it's changed here. And then when I go to the Project Navigator, it already also contains the same thing. So you won't only rename the documentation part as a, I don't know, broken link with the original drawing, because this is still the original drawing. So you just actually rename the drawing itself as well.
So it links up. That's the way you can find it in the Project Navigator.